Okay, guys, this is the online coordinate plane plotting software that I found, and I've actually used it before in some of my classes. So I think it will work very well for this, and is actually very convenient to use. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through basically how things look when you begin and how they should look whenever you get done. Now, using this software, things are going to be a tad bit different than what my assignment had originally looked like, but that's just because instead of having a chart with 3 columns, you're going to have individual charts for your points. So whenever you load in, this is what your screen looks like. Now, like I said, I want you to widen that out. So you're going to click on the little wrench tool up here, and that's your settings. You're going to put your x-axis borders at -20 and 20. And your y-axis borders at -20 and 20 also. And that sets up a fairly widened out coordinate plane for you to start plotting points on. Now, over here is where you're going to be doing your work, but we are actually going to change this up and make things a little more efficient, because this is a lot to keep up with if you use your points this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete that and delete that. Then we're going to click our add tool, and we're going to add a table. Now we have a table added in, and this is going to allow us to plot points. So you're going to plug in your x coordinate. So like using the example we did in the notes, we had 3 for our x and 4. So now you see that it's plotted the point for us. And what we're going to do is we are going to find the x-axis reflection of that. So we plot our point, our reflected point, it's going to be in the same table. So we had 3, -4, and that was our reflected point. So now we have our 2 points. They're reflected across the x-axis, and they're both right here color-coded so that they match, and they're in a nice, neat chart together. So that would be for your first 2 points. And you're going to do this 10 times. So on part 2, add in another table. Our dots are going to be black this time. It color codes it for you. It's very simple. So we had -5, -2. And then our y-axis reflection was -5, +5. Well, maybe I'll get it right eventually. 5, 2, -2. So there are our 2 points reflected across the y-axis. Now you're going to do this a total of 10 times. You're going to have 5 points reflected across the y, 5 points reflected across the x. Then if you want to share your graph, you just click this little share tool up here at the top. Export image. And it's going to look something like this. Actually, let's go a different route on that. Let's go with the copy the link. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google Classroom, and wherever you go to, that's third period. Wherever you go to upload this, and this may not work, so we'll see, but basically you will copy and paste that into your submission. That way I can look at it. And ideally what's going to happen is it's going to have your points on this graph and your plots over here. So let's go from there. If you have questions or if it doesn't work, we'll try to find a different route, but that's what we'll try to do for now if you use the online graphing tool. Hope this helped out. See you guys.